Explorers. Steve with Explore Atlanta. Got a little built-in sound effects here today. Just total serendipity here. But Norfolk Southern decided to pull out just as I was starting this video. So you're looking at the Gulch, of course. I'm on a different bridge this time. I'm on top of the Peter Street Bridge. And Peter Street turns into Trinity a little further up the road there. There's the old Southern Railway building right now. That's part of Centennial Yards. That is the what's called the Freight House now. And straight ahead there, that big white building right there, that's the Richard B. Russell building. And where that building stands today is where the old terminal station used to stand. So what's nice about this vantage point right here is you can see these, all that asphalt there, right there in the picture there next to the Southern Railway building, that was railroad tracks all the way across. This entire, everything in the view right there is railroad tracks. And at one time, I mean, in its heyday, these are just massive rail yards. But there's a map in my article when I wrote about the Ring of Fire. There's a map from 1864. It's kind of a cream color map that shows where three railroad lines converged, and it's like a triangle, right? This, right where I'm pointing the video at right now, is the bottom of the triangle. It opened up right here, and you can see the railroad tracks forked off to the left and to the right there in front of me. That created the triangle, okay? That's why I call this the womb of Atlanta. Essentially, this is where Atlanta was born. The city of Atlanta was born right down here. This was a railroad town. It was a terminus of a railroad line, and that's what it's all about. So anyway, I'm kind of in the middle of the Ring of Fire right here. I'll save the rest for the tour, but February 13th, I've got a few spots left. If you want to come along, make sure you sign up as soon as you can. Anyway, have a great day. This is Steve with Explore Atlanta, ATL Sherpa.